Hey, what's up guys, my name is Raz and today I'm just gonna do a quick video on how to use the Aolon air purifier. But before I begin, I just want to let you know that these devices has two modes. Okay, so let's start. To turn on the device, simply press and hold the power button. Once you see a green light, it means it's on and it's in low settings. Click again and it shifts to blue, which means it's in high settings. These are the two modes that I mentioned earlier. Simple, right? Good. Now how do I turn off the device? Simply press and hold the power button again and it will turn off. Alright, great. Now, how do I know if the device is in low power? Now while you're using the device, the light indicator will turn red. Once it turns red, it means the device needs to be charged and it will be turned off completely in a few minutes. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you real quick on what it looks like to be charged. So I'm going to turn off the device completely and grab my Type-C USB. Okay, let me plug it in. There you go. So while it's charging, a red indicator light will also show up. Now, how do I know if my device is fully charged? So while your device is still plugged in and the light indicator is off, that means your device is fully charged and ready to be used again. Sounds good? Great. I hope this video helps. And thank you for watching. See you next time.